Hi, my name is Sharon and I'm the creator of CanPlan. Can I just start off by saying that I'm so glad that you're here? I'm so glad that CanPlan has found its way into your hands, and I'm so excited to see the healing it'll bring to your journey. My purpose is always going to be deeper than just creating a good-looking product that sells well. I created CanPlan out of a genuine need for guidance, organization, and a restoration and control after my own experience of being thrown headfirst into the world of cancer. And so if this planner does not help you in your journey in some way, then I've missed my goal. Email me personally at any time with your feedback, whether it's positive or negative. Your ideas and thoughts matter, and I want to be sure you feel heard. CanPlan is my opportunity to walk this journey with you, and that's a calling I don't take lightly. I'm here for your breakthrough. I'm here so you can activate the light that's always been within you. And I'm here to show you, through this planner I've created, exactly how you could use that light to guide you. So before we begin this dance together, I want us to get into the right mindset for what's ahead. Because when it comes to any type of illness, your mindset is half the battle. So I want you to stand up wherever you're at, and you can close your eyes if you want to, and take a really deep breath in. Hold it in, and then release all the fear, anxiety, lies that you've been carrying up until this point. Then repeat these truths after me. I stand here in my greatness. I am brave, I am brilliant, and I am perfect in my imperfection. This is my time. I'm bright enough, I'm old enough, I'm young enough, I've experienced enough, and I understand that I am enough. I commit to giving myself grace. I commit to giving myself love. I commit to surrounding myself with community, because I'm here to heal from the inside out. So I'm ready for whatever is ahead, because I know that I'm the author of my story. And I want to write a story that I'm excited and proud to tell. Now give yourself a big hug and know that this is just the beginning to loving yourself deeply and wholeheartedly. I'll see you in the next video.